IGP na Mahama no dabi o na Yohonu wo ye tani Aboa na chese kekan kwase asem sana ma jimi wahu wo de ma mfam kwase enko yi sa IGP kuramfo jimi fo na di ala Mahama fa jimi ko yi kwase na wafa na IGP se o medi Ghana police eso no
Jonas apprentice Yondon o se ensem a etwagu no wan ka bia enyeye na nko mpese obeka bi nanso die kono e was on so eka bi e fa nsem a Yohonu tete Christian IGP Yohonu egojina Boku egwakan e wokire mu se Boku for mesrem ada momfa mutuo ni mu ho na mefa mu police for no there be Yondon se ensem ni tirimu IGP nkasasa criminal yempa criminal achaw edimu no wabebo bona adwene pa akire IGPA am send a strong message to His Excellency Atenudie de fact Mahama so aje dodo na concerning beef for echoes between Aboa Kraman Ajagurajah any Ghana so for any na sin term no e fa mpaboa ho no oh Yondon abebo bona adwene pa akire mu se monyini na munya da nkura nsem na moye no aha yi Penyah block media mesro say any dey mo obera like video down mo subscribe button the snap click the notification and call for latest updates na be chere wa adwene de ama me e wo comment just mezo baso a no share video na mo for so enya bi ahwe eti na akoye Easter Friday dey before akonya we so I wish mu nyina happy good Friday
Adede kro mo
hey yonko ba de ya hwe ni sa no abusiafo
ene yabo Yesu asene unti Yesu hu se de command of Gogota menim se Gogota bia pie Ghana ha de abade ne kwa akoboda sinuam ahwe be yabo na sinuam isi ade osan sinuam so a wawu anesa enche na Yesu akosie no tinya bo kina de ebe home na Sunday ne ye de Easter Sunday no asore no yabo white akoda nyame asese wasama Yesu asobi now let's go into the story now mama free Ajagurajah mu bi free kwanse na betiasi Mahama mo so obeka ya beef be echoes between Aboa Kraman na si ene Ajagurajah ani nyina fa empaboa ho on say Aboa Kraman otompaboa ada say na o mpaboa bi empaboa no wato di ne Osebo limited shoe na da mpaboa no say e akaba akope no ana Ajagurajah ekotoye ana na si su de na si opempaboa empaboa no ebeye kwenkwen ada say kwenkwen eto kwa no supposed to dey be na si one mantem empaboa no Ajagurajah beto ana na si se ne empaboa na akodi Ajagurajah ho no obekwa akoje
Ajagurajah ne awoye na ehuhu kana we o besi shoe no wo pass prison man no o pa kofa soldier for military wa mumba gadi we no besi shoe no ebeba ye ho Osebo shoe enye wodea bese meme ba unhu mi sunsum mpo unhu frama mpo se na be wura wo fi ho no unhu benim se wo ye unhu mi nipa ba we ebe fo ami so
hey nasi aha I'm going to Nasi. Okay, Osebo shouldn't come here. Hey, because Nasi aba. Hey, Moja sa Nasi aba hasia. Nasi. Oh, baby, aba. You see, I really shouldn't that. Nasi.
And I no because of that I did beef interesting beef I beef no you know or spicy beef na ma a next level
Wait, come over.
Beautiful.
Nasi. Call me the chief security. We need to change the location of the shoe. Yes, I will. Get me the driver. Yes, I will. That guy is dangerous. Nobody enters this place. Yes, I will. Good. Make sure nobody enters here. Yes, sir. What's your mechanic? You are safe. Now see. Father. Oh yes. Both physical and spiritual. The shoe is safe. Baby of a father. Is everybody in place? Yes, sir. Nobody enters this room except me. Yes, sir. That guy is very dangerous.
A classic beef of all time. Insult to be any matter say he is such an entertaining beef. Emma so from baby na no kura abewere mu. Obi ase kwa kwaje mpabo na firi Ajagurajah ho. Akoma na si kompabo na na si dia enya Ajagurajah dia.
Come say me more man say for shoes no man na si. Me name shoes kura be do o mo jama na si, but for shoes no man na si. That is what they are saying. So you should return the shoes to Nasi.
This is the whole issue of the beef and course between Ajagurajah, Osborne Zaraman, any Ghana D for the now Musidum Ababi Uramubi. Now, I know now, you don't see there be idea of pennyful no air, no, Sabian Sembian, a 2 million.
And I say, Ajagurajah Musu to Muramona Jimmy. Yes, say, I Amaquatam a shoe, and I, oh, and I mean, I'm this shoe, this shoe, no, Messamacotom and Pabu, I mean, shit. And when I saw for us, I saw for us and for one of them who Jim about 4 million idea on Jim. A sequence of a friend tender as one, and Ujaba Munyadi on Jim said, shoot. Just said, Bibinia said, I do know. And the Williams go for me, and to shoot now, Ukrana, Menam, Diana, Fama, Juan Pabuana, Jimmy Kwan. Yo, more beyond falling to that victim. Omo yes sir, to be what? To gain you people attention. Omo yes sir, the wiamo said down mobile day. Omo be promotion amayazamu because obi ani tumu remo. Omo yes sir for promotion na omo the wiamo adwene. For entertain you guys, you people still omo ya krom for. We are as for for but still. Enti Mr. Munya Jimmy and a baby Ajagurajah when you know do the same way. I was a Ghana you to know Chamuka and Papa. I am first one nipa, Bema, Unya Sikanya Masam, Uba Siesikano Abobra. Now Zana Montesum, Azana Mayanya come from when you pack a crack. Because the Jimmy is too much. The Jimino is too much in Wuramu. To be anti Jimino so, Mr. Why? To be anti Jimino so. Shout out to an answer phobia, I'm going to some Mutina, my Bible to your class, baby. And I need a quiet neighbor when I'm so when you had your family Ghana for yo DJ switching so Faba you know near me we processing. I hope say be a far me track them why me will draws in me me track them why DJ switching near man and processing tina fana adama will draws me track them watch it to me be answer and can say straight up. Shout out to you and the phobia Mujina so Mutino when I'm so be and so much. Huh? But I mean, we are seeing now, no, because I'm a padia. I just am a way for years because I'll forever get me. Life is like that way. So, yeah, you cannot, you don't have to give up. So, I'm telling you, yeah, you don't have to give up. So, life, for no. Answer I will give you up on this is why I die. Whoa. And I will give you up. Who would you need a Sony baby? Who would you we are no? So I answer I make catch on that's life. That's life for you. So I'm John. So we are there. So we are there. You shouldn't give up in life. That's life for you. So we are. Also, always, you know, obviously, hey, this hot weather, any Jimmy, then hot weather, what Jimmy is, I don't know, me say cakey because me no me passion, me a so I'm trying to power. Of course, I thought I'm in share gloves and I'm going to my share glove because I want to buy the enemy. So I just say, me a Ghana, me from Africa, Africans here in Paho, I will phone a mono, ya want at home. I see a wood to see a swat, unchanting into a brofono, and on honey a waji. Ya no ya honey on the Africans. Ya honey a wian egg. So I am telling me, I'm a one tenant so. Oh, tell me, chat the paradise in the match. I'm back. Obisiba is almost some any Jimmy in the Quasia. Quasia, Kaujina one tenant. Oh, the punishment, Tebra Ghana for Cabo who's that? And your joke, Cabos at home, I see a PA and a PA. Motte, yes, Ghana for no move with the bronze one. Motte the bronze one, a Jimmy Piana, who Pia, what now, and what now a cake, you know. Siakwa, huh? I mean, sure be as well about Sabbath and Grand Cassia straight up. You can let me say, and say, you myself forever. So, Yansen, I catch them. So, and your joke. To draw Mahama, when you are quite fast and quick. Will be up at Jimmy on Ramua. Ah, one has said Jimmy, one ham or carving as a one Jimmy too much. Me don't watch you. Me don't watch you on my phone, sir. So, if you are Kurana, what you know for 1 hour and I saw the name. Make sure that the system is in place. As I do Jimmy no Quasi corruption IGP. I did Jimmy Akoba be a kum nipa. Ye kum any power, any panquanda at that a passwire who say papa. Walk on the NTFR IGP say you always make peace. That's why you call you IGP. That's the reason why. That's why you can say straight up. Welcome to the paradise. We are the greatest city of all time, New York City. That's why we call you IGP. So Yancy I make a channel. So Yancy I make a channel. Challenge straight. I want to work too much in Tiama. I said I want them fucking hard. I want them to stay here, but of course, me try and no matter what me try to Ghana for. I don't care, man. And that's the reason why we call you IGP. So Yancy I make a channel. And I never feel child. We easily go cram mau, easily go cram mau. Cantonment cram mau, blue cross in Suang. Beautiful Bibiao, Yansa Yaguma, Yansan Kwan, beautiful Bibiao, Yansan Kwan, Yaguma. Oh, Sanya Brunia, she shiny in my way. 5 service for Bomu. Moba, not a moon soon, Savino. Oh, the real Brunia, she shiny crew. We need to watch on some women, no Cassotia, so them Cadibaba. Me fear bonsam, me fear a bay for, me fear one. But Jimmy and we are any you, Yassi. Oh, your new cromos on the way I will see a lake. so ho kwan no we nipa kwan hu obi fie nso ha o ti I say obefa wura mu ni fie ohu na next one so anya answer na me ka kire no cars nso ato up and some anti wote ha adwenbone be na nkura ba trim da bi o na wote ha o chene unko wie obi ade wote heaven na mu so anya answer na me kire no ba Ghana no nyentra krono abu o Ghana obi aya na okobi anu ya ne se adwuma ni kroni number 1 number 2 Kraman mami twa Kraman nkyira mu so ojina na opo kwasia ojina na opo ya sinyina ahene no kwasia unzo opo hey ofui ka pia Ghana ka kwasia ka ayi waye wad ka semele boys ne de ne kwachi no akwachi kusie bi ama omri aye ayi kwasia
na owie no ana IGP Yohonu on say obekaya last 2 weeks Thursday Boku nsensem na ho na IGP Yohonu eko ohonum senka okopasumje emoko committee kutasefo no ema Yohonu waka say o mesremo ada ni die mo me police ni panyino so mesremo momfa mutuo ni mu ho ye pasumje momfa mutuo ni mu fom adwobre na se mo de tuo ni gu fom a eye me IGP Christian Yohonu tete me hye mo bo say me fom nyina police for
of the Republic of Ghana. I bring you greetings from the Interior Minister. I bring you greetings from Defense Minister and the greetings from the majority leader in Parliament, who is the son of this area. I had a lot of consultation with them before coming here. We are here, police, military, and other security services here to provide security to Boku. Some of us, we have been here in the years past. We know Boku. Boku is an area where every security officer would like to come and work here before finally he goes on retirement. Today, some of us who saw that we are not happy with what it is today. It is our prayer the Almighty God will bring the same glory of Boku back. I've come here to come and work together with you and also to ensure that our men that we bring here, they work according to the mandate. I've seen a lot of things that have been written on the placards, and we are going to work towards it. We are going to make sure that your concerns as you have shown on your placards, we are going to work according to it. We want everything that is worrying the people in this area about we, the security over here. Let us know. Just put your grievances to the overlord, and they will receive it, and we will make sure that we will correct those things urgently. Just forgive us. We have provided security in many other countries. Our duty is to be neutral, and to the best of we, the leaders in Accra.
Semu obi pe police mu kwana owo Boku hanuma eyefu emano. Emma Smoken and Tomutrim already. Na Mahama Dinka the overlord of Boku territory, Boku Naba. As she could as a phonable.
There's no chieftaincy conflict in Boku. There cannot be two kings in one kingdom. government recognizes that the overlord of Boku is Aboa Kraman II. And that's why I say there's no conflict, no chieftaincy conflict. And so peace in Boku is going to be my priority when I become president. And all of you know that when NDC comes, there will be peace in Boku.
Etina do mutirimu se omu twense nka Mahama mra enfo mu hinimesi akonya so eye Zugran Abograbu Azuka ona se nkomfa no besi akonya ne so but IGP so ba so be can different so pa adwuma de ye mpa adwuma it's because of that crowd omubu fi IGP mum to ni tuo nyina.
Zo person so. Wa. Boy. Obwa. Wa kan ni na. Yeah. Hina mu.
Emu na IGP dwane ye just IGP dwane ade chen ye hu hwe because of that crowd ye timeku police for mienu ewo Boku ho no mo ada se kuzadefo no omubo for mu twense Mahama excellency JDM emfa omo hene Zugran emetena kunya sere Mahama she omo bon edi until then there basa de ombe ye bipa wo Boku ho no mo na eno mu no ana yondons on theater se IGP panyini wakwa criminal fo anim na opa wo machaw edi na atemdidie pa de wa keke bia kire IGP papa ama bizo akoso Mahama so
ta IGP na efe no Yohonu so Yohonu se Yohonu IGP Mahama ayu IGP na Mahama ayi no da bi o na Yohonu wo ye tani aboa na chese keka nkwase asem sana na chese keka mu asem sana just tell me da bi o sometimes dia mo ya no ana mu asem too much o mu asem too much o plan bi anim nyansa bi anim jimi to head to toe wako baby entokwasi wo kwa ne wo no police fo akopata ntokwa ya wana ko kasa omunye ku omumira omu ase na obema omu post obema omu abaye police obema omu abaye IGP wuni twase ni makomako asiampanyi ni jimi fo of course omu ye clean omu save you make sure everything is right so hu enti na chese Ubama nipa ba adwuma nim no na ba so akire sai one enipa no so qualify for police adwuma no so qualify for police adwuma no and one so munya ntokwa na ade ne babam na sa that's how we build a nation, that's how we build a country. Nipa no qualify we criminal place bia na ntokwasi wo se omunya ntokwa na abama obafo mu police adwuma. Are you kidding me? Yo, Mahama, akwana de na ba fo ko yina di. Yes, appointment me fa won chaw. Akwana de na ba fo fani afa ni Yohonu IGP Aboa no. Kan fa jimi ko yina di jimi fo. Ada no ma jimi esa nesa. Ya build kura na se ya build criminals. Ma jimi won. Ma jimi won. Wodi amam fam kwasien enko yi se IGP kuramfo jimi fo na di ala Mahama fa jimi ko yi kwasien na wafa na IGP se o medi Ghana police eso no kam ko yi na di wako Bawku ama ntokwasi wo ya se kokopata mo ne Ghana police ya uko ya adan ya me IGP mama mu position wate wo de munya ntokwan mama mu position mama mu maba police adwuma mefa mu adwuma se nipa no qualify so school kura unko bi da so o set ya de police adwuma so ni we hey Ghana mama da bi o enti chese asemme kurani just amono madwena aye corrupt nti bibia corruption ana say IGP kwasia ya Mahama yiwi Mahama the corruption ayiwo what the corruption ayiwo kwa dewi amasia jimi no aye too much yo of course my blue chira class yan say you men can say straight up huh we have in amuna when so bia we bia ne akro gene ada de galam say me ne ha I mean so bia so ba so bitin the way masia jimi no aye too much yo we need peace they need peace Ghana we need peace ko ba bi ntokwa si ko patan tokwa eni obi ewia so bia ne wan bu afu a wone no be kansa mokwa onye ko mu da nipa ne bu afu kura se kanso de be kum nipa be den ane ne kasa boko ade problem ba mo be solve ya make sure so ade we na ade problem aba ene yenya de ayi yen solve problem yenye se now the Jimmy waduru ho adan ayi munya ntokwa no ai na omo ni nkrofo no kwa ma Jimmy kwa kanyanza achem say yo anye police adwuma ne ye pa yo seni senti Mahama dabi o na Mahama den na wuye wo yasi enti tani kwa na betimi na ya IGP tani abuwa kwa na betimi na ya IGP ana Catch me, tell me, Tenny Abu one corner bet na IGP. We are 10 inti, Unianum tough one corner for me IGP. Sani at the Trevi tell me, yes, Sani at the Trevi as you. We are 10 and yes, sir, Unianum tough one corner do me IGP. So at myself, we are 10 and making sure, say, a Jumano. It's all for Ghanaians. Enti, Sas Antonio, Sir Abunio. Sound when I knew na adema ya IGP abama adwuma na kama obetima ya ye ni ya fa no ye ne ja otani Aboa Yohonu IGP Aboa na wa jimias ade ya modi ni jimi Ghana fo no corruption odi so mo nya jimi won wura mu ha mo nya jimi no won wura mu ha obi abama na adwuna ya adwuma won wura mu ho yesa mimi nya mo because the jimi is too much. The Jimino is too much. Yohonu. Eti what Jimmy say and I'll buy a IGP. One country Mahama say Mahama me Jimmy too much inti. Mahama ya Jimmy and family IGP na Ghana for and Chumame. What Jimmy say? W Crony Achichere Sano. Mahama say what Jimmy tell Kufuadu. Look at the enemy say a Kufuadu kula Jimmy. Chema Mahama tese omunyina Jimmy omunyina se adi we Kufuado ebaye excavator nya otwaja tum o America on omode ya wa we omu ma besidan no asase o America asase omu ma besidan wo so ahu edan ni binie cars ni ato apansam kuruma no asase o Kufuado nya otwaja tum oba wa meye hwe wa isa Aboa no Mahama wonso aba ube Jimmy the same thing. No, I'm not gonna leave you, man. Me nyama unyimi wa bodam. Huh? Wa bodam. Me nyama unyimi sa amnya kuru no kwasia. Onkwa no abusuafo onkwa ne wasefo be nyo na Ghana fo abre. Dabi. Mentwema asa masa. Mentwema asa. So, enti mu make sure say Ghana no ya build kuro ye nwe Jimmy obi ame Jimmy obi ame nkwase asem so atima se ti Yohonu kwase ano Mahama koyi na di ntentem wan koyi na di ntentem a media me the hardest one ebrew hey so I can see my cow and yes it's you so I'm chono. How was your time? Yes, I'm good. I'm doing best. I'm doing better. Timahama way. We didn't good and perfect time I said had us one and blame. Why? We need just by the way. Koyi Yohonu nadi. Yes, I know I could do city ni mu. What? Koyi Yohonu nadi unqualified for IGP. He's a criminal. He's disqualified for an IGP in Ghana. So what am I saying? Enti yemfa and Tassam any the any IGP. You will be all qualified so about Ghana any IGP. Or you only had 10 years for Jimmy say Ariana Jimmy Aburo so any queen so I don't say IGP on IGP. Any Ankajama a Kufado IGP Abuano Crancy way. Jama Kufadi IGP that is swear. What from one I mean some going IGP and this for yaba near change way, and this for yaba near change way, now MPP swaba, no much change or more when no studio Munkro Faba. How can we build a nation like this? How can we build a nation like this? To move Jimmy the Aquaria, yes, say, move Jimmy the Aquaria, yes, say, I've been flagging here. I've been flagging the boom. That's been soon as this one. That's been back out of form. Small, that's been back out of form. So that's been Sisia baby out 20. That's been Sisia baby as well. America, what I need change in Tiama. Qatar light 2 be night check him near that, but inside. But I'm good. I'm okay. I'm good and perfect time at Tim and Kawai. No, my busy na me and number busy Sessica. You know, with the Tim and Kawai. Yo, Auntie Aquano, Mahama Yinadi. Now, when Yinadi, Minyao, and then we are not born light 20. Today, and can say straight up why. The shad had a son of blame. Mahama, Meba, now Meba, I'm not gonna joke with you, alright? Meba, I'm not gonna joke with you. Meba, Meba, Sawanadi, when Meba, so Gama, Koinadi. Asi anti machichiri kuro munno kuro na mase kuro ni say Jimmy kwa yeah masha had this one abram why me my business is second to the good and perfect time at me why masha had this one abram I should be aso abaso abitin cause straight up bye bye ubetimen ka why good and perfect time bye bye I should be aso abaso abitin and kasa is straight bye bye.
Chirawaju mame ewo comments waiting someone Nigerian's apprentice Yohonu Abeka Editress Excellency JDM. I don't support insult to elders, but we Yohonu in the opinion so far as this Boku issue concern. What is your view on this? Chirawaju mame ewo comment section. I Penyah Block Media.